Well, it's now time to cook together with SuperFry. Since the two recipes have two different set points, SuperFry asks you which one of the two set points you would like to use. The other one, as you can see, will be automatically adjusted in terms of time by the SuperFry itself. Since the real temperature of the oil in the fry pot is not sufficiently closer to the real temperature of the same oil, the symbol hourglass shows that the basket is not dropped inside of the oil, and it will be automatically go inside when the temperature will be closer. This is absolutely necessary in order to maintain crispy the product when the fryer is working. The real temperature is now sufficiently closer to the set point temperature. As you can see, automatically the SuperFry is going to introduce the basket inside of the oil. The SuperFry has changed the time by itself. This is the action of the intelligent cooking system dynamic, since this algorithm is going to modulate all the cooking parameters independently from the personnel and the type of product and quantities in order to ensure always the same quality of the results.